Hello dear students, let us continue the lesson number 4 here. In your section D, yesterday I started giving the answer. I'll just repeat out some part of the answer again. Write the features of boycott movement. Discuss any two features. तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बोला था कि नेचर ऊपर टाइटल डालना है. तो ये नेचर कैसा होता है उसका, बॉयकॉट मूवमेंट का प्रोसेस कैसी होती है, नेचर का मतलब प्रोसेस कैसी होती है. सो राइट डाउन boycott of foreign goods. Boycott of foreign goods, comma, Swadeshi movement, and Bang Bang of 1905 and Bang Bang of 1905 and cunning policies of Britishers such as divide and rule, played an important role in awakening the whole India, full stop, comma, to fight for freedom, full stop. Bengal was a high province, Bengal was a big province, during the British rule. During the British rule, which included today's Bengal, comma, Bihar and Odisha, full stop. Compared to other states, Bengal was the central point of national awakening, full stop. To break the unity of Hindus and Muslims, Viceroy Curzon divided Bengal into East and West Bengal, There was a strong opposition to the division of Bengal, full stop. When Bengal was divided on 16th October, comma, 1905, the whole Bengal observed the day as National Mourning Day, full stop. The same day, comma, an announcement was made, an announcement was made for boycotting foreign goods, for boycotting foreign goods. Full stop. That day Hindus and Muslims, that day Hindus and Muslims tied Rakhis to each other, tied Rakhis to each other in the entire Bengal, in the entire Bengal to express their unity, to express their unity. Full stop. This moment had, this moment had three major characteristics, three major characteristics. One, adopt indigenous products, that is the Indian products, Swadeshi. Adopt indigenous products. Second, boycott foreign goods, boycott foreign goods. Third, adopt national education, adopt national education. Now write down effects. अब इफेक्ट्स कहां से लिखने हैं आपको? नोटबुक में जो आपको फर्स्ट आंसर लिख के दिया है इसी का, बॉयकॉट के इफेक्ट्स, वो पूरा इसमें आ जाएगा, वो ज्वाइन कर देना है आपको. ठीक है. नाउ पेज नंबर 27, राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द following person, that is already completed on page number 28. Write a short note on Swarajya Party. Second number question. Swarajya Party was established by, Swarajya Party was established by Chittaranjan Das, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, and Motilal Nehru, for creating national awareness, for creating national awareness among the people, among the people after the withdrawal of, after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. First, their purpose was to, their purpose was to enter the legislative assembly, enter the legislative assembly and oppose the unfair policies, and oppose the unfair policies of the government, of the government. Full stop. The leaders of Swarajya Party, the leaders of Swarajya Party adopted the constructive activities, adopted the constructive activities of Gandhiji, like abolition of, like abolition of untouchability, abolition of untouchability, comma, Hindu-Muslim unity, Hindu-Muslim unity, comma, revival of spinning wheel, revival of spinning wheel, comma, liquor prohibition, liquor prohibition, etc. Liquor prohibition, etc. Full stop. Swarajya Party contested, Swarajya Party contested the election of the legislatures, the election of the legislatures held in November, held in November, comma, 1923, 1923, and the candidates of the Swarajya Party were elected in the were elected in the central legislature as well as the provincial legislature, provincial, provincial legislature, and got clear majority, full stop. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature as the party leader, and Chittaranjan Das was elected in the Bengal province Swarajya Party, which disapproved the government budgets, the government budgets and proposals, and resented the unjust policies of the government, full stop. It compelled the government to consider the problems of the people, full stop. Due to the working of the Swarajya Party only, government had to appoint the अब इसके आगे का जो है मैं आपको सीधा वहां पर उस पॉइंट पर लेके जाता हूं. ये लाइन लिखनी है खाली आपको जहां पर मेरा कर्सर है. Simon Commission 2 years earlier. Simon Commission 2 years earlier. Full stop. That is the end of your answer. Now, third one, write a short note on Rowlatt Act. Write a short note on Rowlatt Act. लिखिए. The British government formed the Rowlatt Act. The British government formed the Rowlatt Act under the chairmanship of Rowlatt, comma, the Minister of Law, bracket में 1919, 1919, bracket complete, full stop. Continue. This act was framed. This act was framed with the purpose of suppressing. With the purpose of suppressing revolutionaries. Suppressing revolutionaries. REVOLUTIONARIES. Revolutionaries and nationalists. And nationalists. NATIONALISTS. Full stop. This act came to be known as Black Cat. This act came to be known as This act came to be known as Black Act. Black Act को सिंगल इंटेड कॉमर्स में लिखिए. Because it was meant to. Because it was meant to. Because it was meant to suppress individual freedom. Individual freedom and freedom of speech. And freedom of speech. Full stop. According to this act, comma, any suspicious person could be arrested and jailed comma, without conducting any trial against him. Without conducting any trial against him. Full stop. That's why Gandhiji called it Black Act. That's why Gandhiji called it Black Act. Full stop. The British government gained immense power. The British government gained GAINED immense power under this act, comma, to suppress any kind of opposition. To suppress any kind of opposition. Full stop. So, leaders and people at large expressed their opposition. Expressed their opposition. First stop. Meetings, comma, rallies, comma, shows, and strikes, were organized against it. Question number 4. Write a short note on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Answer. When popular leaders like popular leaders like Dr. Satyapal, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu. Kitchlu, Kichlu, were arrested, were arrested in Amritsar, Punjab. Arrested in Amritsar, Punjab. Again, a public gathering was organized. A public gathering was organized in the Jallianwala Bagh, in the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, in Amritsar, on the day of Baisakhi, on the day of Baisakhi, to oppose the arrest, full stop, sorry, comma, to oppose the arrest, full stop. General O'Donnell Dyer, General O'Donnell Dyer, D-Y-E-R, reached there, reached there with his troops, with his troops, and without any warning, and without any warning, comma, opened fire on innocent people, opened fire on innocent people from the machine gun, from the machine gun, full stop. There were high walls, there were high walls on four sides of the Bagh, on four sides of the Bagh, full stop. In the middle, comma, was an unused well, was an unused well, and the only way out, and the only way out being narrow, being narrow, B-E-I-N-G, being narrow, comma, a number of people lost their lives, a number of people lost their lives in the firing, in the firing, full stop. According to the government report, according to the government report, comma, 379 people died, 379 people died, and 1200 injured, and 1200 injured, INJURED, full stop. As per the committee appointed, as per the committee appointed by the Congress, comma, 1000 people had died, 1000 people had died in the firing, in the firing, full stop. Hunter Commission, सिंगल एंटेड कॉमा, फिर बाद में कॉमा दीजिए. investigating the case on behalf of the British, on behalf of the British government, on behalf of the British government, comma, defended General Dyer, defended General Dyer, full stop. The commission forgave Dyer. The commission forgave, Forgave, forgave Dyer, considering it as an innocent mistake, considering it as an innocent mistake that happened unknowingly, that happened unknowingly, full stop. On the other hand, on the other hand, comma, when Dyer returned, when Dyer returned to England, comma, he was honored, he was honored, Honored, with a sword, with a sword, and 2,000 pounds, and 2,000 pounds. Full stop. Indians got a terrible shock. Indians got a terrible shock because of this. Because of this. Full stop. After this inhuman act, after this inhuman act, comma, Gandhiji's faith, Gandhiji's faith towards the British, towards the British was completely lost, was completely lost. Full stop. This event played, this event played an important role, an important role in uniting the whole nation, an important role in uniting the whole nation. Full stop. This tragedy, this tragedy became the ground, became the ground for the future, for the future non-cooperation movement, for the future non-cooperation movement. These are all the question answers of your chapter number 4. If you wish, just take the screenshots of the following questions from the beginning and try to write them in your book. I will just reduce the size of this PDF, or I will try to send it to you. If you wish, you can take the screenshots. I'll just still reduce the size so that you can take the full page. Yes, now you can take the full page screenshot. Page number 1. Then now second. I'll just wait for some seconds. I'll just reduce some more size so that you can check the whole page properly. Then third page, page number 24. If you have finished, then at the page number 25, take the screenshot properly here. Some answers are written somewhere upstairs, half answers, so be very careful. Then page number 26. Page number 27. This page is double here again, page number 27. Now page number 28. Yes, you can take the screenshot here. And the last page of your lesson, page number 29. Please complete the given notes in your workbook at the earliest so that you can write the papers correctly.